Are you one of them who dream to become a good data scientist? Keep watching this video if you want to be a data scientist. We are going to tell you how it works being a data scientist. Jo is a data scientist. Let's see how a day in her life goes while she is working on her project. Well, it is important to understand business problem first. In a meeting with her client, Jo asks questions relevant to the projects, understands and identifies the objective associated with the problem that needs to be tackled. She is a curious professional, which is the important traits of the data scientist. Now she cares up for data acquisition, to gather data from different sources like logs, web server, database, API, and online repositories. After data is gathered comes data preparation. This step involves data cleaning and data preparation. Data cleaning is a tedious process as it involves complex scenarios like Jo deals with inconsistent data type, misspelled attributes, missing and duplicate values. Then in data transformation she modifies the data with the mapping rules. To understand what you can actually do with your data is important. For this reason Jo does exploratory data analysis. Now she proceeds to the core activity, that is data modeling. Now she continuously applies her machine learning process like KNN, decision tree, naive Bayes to the data. Jo prefers Python for modeling the data, however it can be done using R or SAS. The trickiest part is data visualization and communication. Jo makes the client communicate her business findings simply and efficiently to convince him. She uses tools like Tableau, Power BI, 𝐀𝐿 to create powerful reports and dashboards. And finally she deploys and maintains the model. She tests the model in production environment and then deploys it in the production environment, which is the best practice, right? Now she uses reports and dashboards to get roles and analysis. Thus she also monitors her data science project performance. That is how Jo completes her project on data scientist. You have just seen the daily routine of data scientist, which has plenty of interesting aspects and generally comes with its own challenges. We at Technovids believe that excellence is an art won by training. We are renowned for excellence, leadership, and impact. Join us to be the change.